put the onesie on, so I'm going to let you do it.
Top first or bottom first?
Top. So I'll kind of show you, me kind of show you what I do and then let you do it?
Yeah, I see that.
So usually I get, my hands right here on the head area. And then just come over here, take both sides of his head and slide it on.
Okay. Alright.
Make sure it's the front. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, sorry, baby.
And he might not like it, but you know what?
He'll be fine.
That's just the way it is.
And if you got a big head, too bad.
Arms in.
Are you smuggling?
What?
There you go.
He's
Nice,
resisting me.
Yeah, sometimes they do that. You just gotta get in there.
They look so cute in white. Is he taking?
Oh yeah, he's eating
Oh, good.
enough already. I think he's done.
Oh boy, I can tell something's fight already.
There you go.
You're doing an awesome job.
Yeah. And it's okay if they cry while you're changing them.
Yeah. Have you changed their diapers before here?
Not here.
So it's good that we're doing this before you go. And then I'll lift them up and you can lay that underneath them.
Okay.
And I'll let you button them up in that.
Oh, look at their little feet.
I want you to tell your nurse friends when you're leaving.
Oh.
I don't know why, but you're going to go home with like 4 tooths of this.
Oh, okay.
Hey, we are not complaining.
We can put that to use.
Look at all these gift bags.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh. We're going to need more than just the 3 of us, probably.
I'll give you these two because they're already open for each of them. If you ever feel like their bottoms are getting really red or something, you can just wet these and use them instead of wipes. Get a few in there.
Dang, I thought
These are also really great for giving them a sponge bath. So
Okay, good.
wet them in.
He buttoned them up with something in the hand through the sleeve.
Oh. Great jacket.
Yeah.
I thought I did that already. Hey, baby. Jace. His hands through.
Remember when you were dressing Levi and you put his pants on, but then you put the onesie over the pants?
That's funny. See, was it really that bad?
Guess not.
You did an awesome job. That wasn't bad at all.
Yay.